Nico Williams to Barca, यहाँ चले हम. Apparently Nico Williams has given top priority to join Barcelona. It finally feels good to be on the other side and to get a player like Nico Williams and giving the big L to Bayern Munich same time पे. भाई cinematic, भाई absolute cinema. We love it that Hansi Flick is open to signing Nico Williams. Barca is going for Nico Williams as reported. Club appreciates his willingness to join. Last year he betrayed us. He betrayed Deco. He betrayed Laporta. He betrayed us. He betrayed Rafinha. And now he's showing willingness to join. That's fantastic. Barcelona believe they can afford to pay Nico's clause. Bhai, that's a massive upgrade. Barca speaking with La Liga with Haramco Tebas on how to pay Nico's clause. भाई पैसे देने पड़ेंगे यार. पैसा की tokens हो गए क्या? I think money would be the only way to pay Nico's clause now, but I don't know why. I don't care. The fact that Barca thinks that we can afford to pay Nico's clause is fantastic. The fact that we are talking to Haramco Tebas on how to pay is more fantastic. And also, apparently Nico Williams has changed his PFP on Instagram to Barcelona colors. Bro, this guy is a fantastic player. The fact कि इसकी chemistry में लमीन से, पेद्री से, गावी से, अपनी टीम के mostly core से already है. I think that is amazing. उसके stats, निको के थोड़े rookie numbers है. I get that भाई. 10 GAs in 29 games compared to Rafi के 27 goal in 36 matches. I'm not impressed by his stats a lot, but you know what, भाई, does not matter because in the eye test this player is fantastic. भाई बहुत खूब player है, amazing quality, amazing skills. भाई he just bullied Konate. भाई Konate गिर रहा है भाई. Imagine Trent क्या करेगा भाई. This player is fantastic. I think it's a great signing. Suffering from success moment होएगा कि Rafinha, Lewandowski, Nico एंड लमीन को कैसे एडजस्ट करेंगे. आई डोंट नो वहां पे क्या होएगा. अपेरेंटली लेपोर्टा ने एक जॉब भी रखी है, पार्ट टाइम जॉब टू रेज मनी फॉर निको विलियम्स, बट मजाक से हटके भाई आई थिंक दिस इज अ डील दैट वी शुड मेक. आई थिंक दिस इज अ ग्रेट प्लेयर, बहुत टैलेंट है ऑन द आई टेस्ट, फैंटास्टिक. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट फील्ड टेल्ड या वो मतलब रनिंग स्टैट्स या डिफेंसिव स्टैट्स. आई हैव सीन हिम प्ले. ही ट्रैक्स बैक फॉर द टीम. केमिस्ट्री इसकी हर प्लेयर के साथ टीम में हमारी. दैट इज अमेजिंग भाई, दैट इज ग्रेट न्यूज. वेजेस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कितने का आएगा, आई थिंक दैट नीड्स टू बी फिगर्ड आउट बाय लेपोर्टा एंड को. वो कैसे डील करेंगे आई हैव नो आइडिया भाई. एंड पर्सनली आई डोंट केयर क्योंकि वी नीड बैकअप्स टू आवर प्लेयर्स. अगर फादी तो हम वैसे काउंट करते नहीं, अगर फादी जाएगा भी ना. सो अगर लमीन, लेवेंडोस्की, रफीनिया स्टार्टर्स हमारे ऑफ कोर्स, बट लास्ट ईयर भाई अपना फरहान अख्तर वाज बैकअप टू लमीन, लेवेंडोस्की एंड रफीनिया एंड दैट पार्ट ऑफ इट सक. भाई मैंने सोचा कि अगर ये निको विलियम्स टीम में आएगा तो वो स्टार्ट का करेगा एंड दैट वुड बी अ प्रॉब्लम. Because I don't think he can bench Rafinha. I don't think he can bench Lamine, of course. I don't think, of course, he can't bench Lewandowski. So अगर वो कैम खेलेगा, कहाँ खेलेगा, I don't know भाई, तुम लोग मेरे को बताना. Because I'm kind of not sure कि वो start कैसे करेगा, कि हम how would we deal with the personalities of these massive players. भाई almost not a player that would be benched भाई, क्योंकि उसके इतने पत्थर हिलाने के बाद भाई वो टीम में हमारी आया था. Lamine, of course, तो उसको बेंच करने की ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. It is between Rafinha, Lewandowski and Olmo. So अगर Rafinha को तो बेंच करते हो, I don't think that's his side भाई, because under Xavi we saw भाई, we remember उसने कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री बना दी भाई कि how much he hated Xavi. He almost left Barca because Xavi उसको बेंच करता था. So I don't, and भाई of course the last scene हुआ था भाई, Rafinha hated Barca and Barca fans because we were suggesting the rumor कि Nico Williams join करेगा and Nico Williams उसको बेंच करेगा. So Rafinha, I don't think भाई that would sit right with Rafinha or team. Lewandowski the same person. This last week apparently he got Poland का मैनेजर sacked because उसको खेलना नहीं था उसका, जो भी हुआ था. तो निको ने स्टार्ट का करेगा. आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज विद दैट पार्ट ऑफ इट. उसके अलावा फैंटास्टिक साइन भाई, फैंटास्टिक प्लेयर. द फैक्ट दैट ही इज प्रायोरिटाइजिंग बारसा. अरे मैंने वो रखा नहीं क्या यहाँ पे, ही इज प्रायोरिटाइजिंग बारसा, ही विल बी प्रायोरिटाइजिंग बारसा. भाई दैट्स अमेजिंग न्यूज़ भाई, दैट इज ग्रेट न्यूज़, दैट इज ग्रेट न्यूज़. फिर यहाँ से आती हैं क्या कहिए, ये रहा ये वाला. Nico has made a decision either he joins Barca or renews his contract with Athletic Club. He has decided to ignore other offers because he wants to fulfill his dream of moving to Barcelona or he stays. That is fantastic news यार. फिर ये हो गया, Nico has received the message. By the amount of pictures I'm seeing of Messi with kids ना is kind of concerning right now. But you know whatever. ये Joan Garcia is close to be announced भाई. अब जब भाई it might be announced by then, I don't know भाई. Again भाई great player, great signing. क्योंकि एक बंदा आ रहा है और एक बंदा जा भी रहा है भाई. Thank God भाई. Marc-Andre ter Stegen. He is going to fund, कहाँ जा रहा है, Galatasaray. He is going to Galatasaray. The transfer is to be finalized if Barca does not demand a high transfer fees. भाई मैं तो मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा. इसको फ्री में भेज दो ना, I would not care. The fact that you get rid of this personality, this guy is not even good enough to be a keeper. Pella, not even good enough to be a keeper at Barcelona, let alone to be the captain, one of the captains at Barcelona. इस बंदे की personality वैसी नहीं है भाई. I don't like his personality, I don't like his attitude at all. क्योंकि apparently Flick and Laporta were not happy with how unhappy Ter Stegen was 1-2 हफ्ते पहले. So वहाँ पे this player give me the yikes भाई. This player gives me the irk. I don't like his personality. I don't like the player. I think he's very trash Ter Stegen. I'm being very honest. But again भाई अगर टर्की ले रही है भाई ले लो भाई प्लीज मतलब भाई this parody भाई मजाक में झूठ कर भाई. Ter Stegen fantastic भाई. He's a great keeper. He's the greatest keeper of all time. Apparently to a lot of Barca fans. Ter Stegen legend है क्लब का. You know what भाई, good for them भाई. Turkey wants Ter Stegen भाई after paying Ter Stegen की headline. अगर टर्की को उसको करियर प्रिपेयर करना है ना, ले लो भाई पॉज, मतलब ले जाओ Ter Stegen को भाई. I don't care. भाई Ronald Araujo makes it clear that he wants to stay at Barca. If the club receives a रशाद की ट्वीट थी ना, Justin Araujo continuity next year in Barcelona is not a guarantee. If the club receives a good offer, they will consider it. And Araujo makes it clear. This is the same player भाई. 3 महीने पहले जब इसने रिन्यू करा था, I was very happy that he renewed भाई. But of course we know how the season ended भाई. Of course we know कि again भाई this guy was the cause of the chaos भाई. This is again भाई देखो मैं ऐसे बताऊंगा. I think Araujo is a very good player. मैंने बोला था and I won't back down of it. 3 महीने पहले मैं बोला था मैंने कि Araujo is a good player and I won't back down कि Araujo is not a good player. I think Araujo is a good player. I think he works in a team like, I'm a United fan too भाई. I think Araujo works in United somehow, but I don't think his quality is at Barca भाई, because he's not a ball playing centre back at all. Araujo की quality is not, it's not even one of his strong points. I think running भाई बहुत तगड़ा, बहुत solid player है भाई. I think defensively इसके stats बहुत बढ़िया है, but he can't keep a high line. I think he's a perfect kind of player for a manager like Mourinho, a manager like जो West Ham का manager था Moyes, of course. भाई I think, and these days it's a insult to players to say that players can play for Mourinho or Moyes. I don't think it is भाई. I think he works in a team like जहाँ पे he does not have to make a high line. He does not have to keep a high line. जहाँ पे उसको passing नहीं करने पड़ेगी a lot. I think he works there. But Araujo in Barca with a high line and passing, नहीं भाई. I don't like the fact that he is even a backup option to us. मेरे ख्याल से इसको सेल कर देना चाहिए था, क्योंकि हमने इसको रिन्यू कर रहा है. I know the deal would be impossible क्योंकि हमने इसको रिन्यू कर रहा है. But the fans are not happy with Araujo भाई. Even I'm not happy with Araujo because of course भाई last in PSG का भी example मेरे पास था ही भाई. He choked the PSG match pause and इस साल फिर से me personally I would have gotten rid of Araujo and gotten a young centre back. मतलब La Masia से खींच के लाया होता है एक बंदा, एक और बच्चा pause, and kind of grow them to be a more responsible choice for Barca in the future. But Araujo नहीं यार. I don't like this कि Araujo makes it clear that he wants to stay at Barcelona because it makes it a big problem. Araujo के कोई rumors भी नहीं आ रहे. I have not seen one single rumor for Araujo, and that's a problem यार. That's a yikes kind of thing. A Barcelona player should always have rumors that he could leave. I think Araujo can work in the Premier League in a club like, I don't even know bhai, but Barca mein na, it's a yikes for right now. I don't know how it works out bhai. I don't know how it works out for Araujo in Barca. Let me know yaar. Lewandowski का contract यहाँ पे हो रहा है. Apparently expect news on update around Lewandowski contract negotiation in the next couple of days. The club would like to have a low wage contract. They want to adjust his deal. That's kind of yikes. Because अगर तुम इसको निको भी लेके आ रहे हो, and Lewandowski is kind of getting this shove कि इसको renew, मतलब इसका contract को adjust करना है, and a lot of Barca fans want वो Lewandowski to leave the club anyways. Listen भाई, I'm a big fan of Lewandowski. I think he's one of the best strikers of all, मतलब all time बोल सकते हैं एक तरीके से. In the modern generation, me personally for right now भाई, I would put Lewandowski, Suarez and Benzema भाई. I'm gonna be honest, because Lewandowski ने जो फुटबॉल खेला है ना इस क्लब से, इवन फॉर जस्ट फॉर अस, एंड बायर्न को तो भाई बायर्न में क्या खेला है, एंड डॉर्टमुंड में क्या खेला है भाई. ही इज अ वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर एंड आई थिंक ही इज अ परफेक्ट स्ट्राइकर फॉर फ्लिक की टीम का. आई डोंट नो हाउ वी वुड एडजस्ट आवर सिस्टम की निको, लमीन, रफीनिया, लेवेंडोस्की कैन स्टार इन द टीम, एंड ऑल्मो क्या होता है या फर्मिन में क्या होता है. I have no idea. I would love that Lewandowski renews and stays for another 2 years भाई. मतलब इस साल plus one more भाई. मतलब this season plus one more season भाई. I think he can play professional football for 2 years. I would like to see Lewandowski retire at Barcelona भाई. I don't want to see Lewandowski go to Saudi या MLS or go to any other club भाई. अगर यूनाइटेड आता है तो भाई most welcome भाई. But I would love to see Lewandowski play for Barca for 2 more years and win the treble with us भाई, because I think Lewandowski deserves that भाई. क्योंकि ये बंदा फुटबॉल खेला है हमारे भाई. He has played good football भाई, and he has been quality भाई. He's been sharp. I know he misses a lot of chances. I know he can be frustrating, but उसके अलावा भाई still fantastic player, one of the best strikers in the world भाई. क्योंकि गायकर्स लोग आज के बाहर है. And I think Nico Williams would be the only signing that Barca would make this season. मतलब वो forward में. Of course, we need a right back backup. I think we need a left back backup. मतलब Martin, but still, we need backups to those players. Midfielders we are cool on. Keeper, of course, keeper होंगे ना. I think Nico Williams के अलावा I don't see any other forward signings in this team भाई. I personally don't see that happening at all. क्योंकि Nico Williams के deal, I think we would drag it out to the end of the transfer season. But still, let's see यहाँ पे क्या होता है. Gavi is fully ready to fight for the spot next season. He's aware about the competition in the team. He's motivated to gain a prominence. Hansi Flick has full trust and confidence in the player as well. Like, for me personally, Pedri, De Jong, that's a perfect pivot for us, right? I don't see Gavi fitting in the team as a starter. I'm gonna be honest. I think Pedri तो of course कोई option नहीं कि Pedri bench होएगा. And I don't see an option of De Jong getting benched, भाई. He's better than De Jong, bro. नहीं यार, he's not. I'm going to be honest. जो ये साल खेला ना गावी, I'm not impressed with Gavi का this season at all. I'm going to be very honest भाई. Safe space तो नहीं है ये. Unsafe space, but don't judge still भाई. I think Gavi is a very good player, but I don't think he benches Frankie de Jong भाई. And of course he does not bench Pedri. तो और प्लेस बस्ती कहाँ है भाई? क्योंकि तुम अगर मेरे को बता रहे हो तुमको रफीनिया, लमीन, निको एंड लेवेंडोस्की टीम में स्टार्ट करना है, तो अगर 4 पोजीशंस वहीं पे हो गई तो हम भाई अगर कैम भी हो गया तो बस 2 पोजीशन बची ना, वो गावी टू प्ले द पोजीशन दैट पेड्री प्लेज इन. वहां पे पेड्री इज अनटचेबल भाई एंड De Jong इज अनटचेबल. तो वेयर डज गावी स्टार्ट इन दिस टीम? आई हैव नो आइडिया. बट अगेन, अ सफरिंग फ्रॉम सक्सेस मोमेंट. आई थिंक इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर फ्लिक एंड को टू डिसाइड कि प्लेयर्स कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, हम टीम क्या खेलेंगे कॉन्स्टेंटली. आई डोंट केयर ऑनेस्टली कि गावी अगर अनहैप्पी होएगा या De Jong अनहैप्पी होएगा. आई जस्ट वांट टू सी आवर बेस्ट प्लेयर्स प्लेइंग फुटबॉल एवरी सिंगल वीक भाई. आई वांट टू गो नेक्स्ट सीजन विद नो बायसेस, नो प्रेजुडिस. ऑफ कोर्स पेड्री एंड लमीन वुड गेट दैट बायस फ्रॉम मी कि उनको हर मैच स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. बट अगर फ्लिक को लगे ना कि इनको बेंच करना कि गावी इज बेटर देन पेड्री, दैट्स अ क्रेजी थॉट बाय द वे, कि Nico is better than Lamine, I don't care भाई. I just want to see the best players for our teams play. I am more loyal to Barca, I'm more loyal to Hansi Flick than any of these players. I'm going to be honest. It's not a disrespectful thing to say भाई, but I'm just more excited and more faithful to the manager's vision भाई than a player. उसको अगर फ्रैंकी खिलाना है, गावी खिलाना है, पेड्री खिलाना है, लमीन खिलाना है, निको खिलाना है, I don't care भाई. As long as we play our best players and Laporta can manage with the personalities and Laporta can manage the भाई, क्योंकि of course भाई next season I'm just saying it already भाई. I think there would be a lot of rumors, and rumors मतलब जो होते हैं ना, rumors that are not confirmed but confirmed somehow. I think there would be a lot of dressing room issues कि players को playing time नहीं मिल रहा. Areo would be one of them, Gavi would be one of them. अगर Ter Stegen रहते हैं भाई, so Ter Stegen would of course be that one. Areo, Gavi, Ter Stegen, Rafinha, Lewandowski जो नहीं खेलेगा. I think there might be a problem भाई कि अगर ये प्लेयर्स नहीं खेलेंगे ना, there might be rumors they want to leave या tensions, but I don't care भाई. और लास्ट क्या है, Andre Onana is expected to stay at United. कुछ बोलने लायक है भी नहीं भाई यहाँ पे, तो कुछ बोलने लायक है भी नहीं honestly भाई. I don't even know what to say भाई. I am a United fan too भाई, and I don't even know what to say about Onana staying at my club भाई. And the fact that he was from La Masia, Barca, मतलब मेरे दिल का एक तरफ, to United भाई. La Masia ने उनको ऐसा धोखा दिया ना, I don't even know भाई. I would have wished भाई कि वो कहाँ गया ये, that Messi would have given the golden touch भाई, pause to Onana as well भाई. अभी दे दे भाई, अभी दे दे. Onana is just like a stupid kid anyways भाई. So Onana को इस बात में फिट करो और Messi को वापस लाओ भाई. Whatever भाई. But again, very happy that Nico Williams is close to getting Barca भाई. Very happy. Let's see भाई क्या होता है. Vizcaya Barca in the